The Elite spec sheet, which purports to highlight the internal components of each of the three phones, has given us our best look yet at what Samsung has in store for the Galaxy S24 series. A leak countdown timer that seems to validate the predicted January 17th debut date for the new phones that the next Galaxy Unpacked is also posted by Evan Blast, who leaked the spec sheet. Evan Blast first posted the information on the defunct Twitter social media network. The Galaxy S24 Ultra seems to feature the most modifications from its predecessor, according to the posted spec sheet offer. To begin with, the phone is supposed to feature a titanium frame, which is consistent with prior speculations of a switching materials. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Ultra will continue to feature aluminum frames, just like its predecessor, which will feature a 200MP main camera based on the spec sheet. The sheet also promises a quad telephoto setup with 4 different zoom lengths: 2x, 3x, 5x, and 10x. This could be a reference to earlier Galaxy S24 Ultra rumors that suggested a variable folded telephoto lens to allow for seamless zooming between different focal lengths. A more widespread rumor said that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will replace one of its 10MP telephoto cameras with a 50MP model. However, the lens was supposed to have a 5x maximum magnification. Another rumor mentioned a display with a maximum brightness of 2600 nits as its main feature. Looks to be destined for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will feature a 6.8-inch display like its predecessor. The Ultra and Plus variants will continue to offer 256GB of storage in their basic models, while the normal S24 will start at 128GB. Other adjustments that were made with the debut of the Galaxy S23 earlier this year will continue for the Galaxy S24. Charging speeds appear to be unchanged, with the listings charging spec for the S24 Ultra and S24 Plus matching the 45G UI speeds offered by their predecessors. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will offer larger batteries than their predecessors, respectively 4000 mAh and 4900 mAh. The Galaxy S24 Plus is expected to offer the same 5000 mAh power pack. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.